diving into the very heart of our celebration, please allow me first off, we'd like to thank the Lord for this wonderful to be gathered as a family and to celebrate the birthday of our 76th birthday of the municipality of Lanvilan. Nagadungay kuna ni Mayor jay role kanunga welcome remarks so ngay tanda kanya ay so ti karinikapan. Actually, I have a list of all niya. Please allow me to try my best to acknowledge the best that I can i-amamin nga nag-participate at ito yung eksapan. First off, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of course of my colleagues in the Sangguniang Bayan, Councilor Tyron Diaz, sir. Councilor Nestor Fongan Jr., Councilor Renato Tereng, makita na kayo. Councilor Walang, Councilor Frederick Guzman, Councilor Horacio Ramos Jr., Councilor Junie Puro, our ABC President, Councilor Bartolome Valdas Jr., Councilor Jason Dangwa, Councilor Belmar Ellis, Councilor Richard Wagnisan, nagiti spouses, iti municipal officials tayo, at takder kayo man, at ni Ma'am November, Ma'am Mary. Yan, nag-spouses, palakpakan tayo ako. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge with us the presence of our guest of honor speaker, Congressman Eric Yap. Our Governor, Dr. Melchor Diclas. Our Vice Governor, Mary Rose Ponguan Pepes. The members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, our former Mayor, Board Member Romeo Salda, Board Member Lady Charmaine Bolintas Likigan, Board Member Lauro, Armando Lauro, nakailangan board members. Sino ba ilagay board members kita? Board Member Jim Gutiway, sir. Okay, amaamin nga board members to Macder. Makadamali pata. Of course, our sister municipalities, the municipality of Rosales, represented by Councilor Christopher Conrad, and wife. It's the Committee on Agriculture. The municipality of Yona, represented by Mayor BJ Terlaje, Mayor of Guam. Our visitors from the Sangguniang Panlunsod of Baguio City, kami Ma'am Luluta Banda. Tawag kayo man ako. Thank you very much, first. The different vice mayors niya, vice mayors ni. Ada na ba dito tumakder kayo man? Naging vice mayors. Vice Mayor Gordo, Vice Mayor Camiling, Vice Mayor Togbing, councilors of the different municipalities of Benguet. Tumakbo kayo ako to be recognized. Thank you very much, sir. Our former municipal officials, our force multipliers, our senior citizens, amin, among kaslang senior citizen, General Assembly Mananday ko foundation din tayo. Women's groups, solo parents, from the academe, our religious sector, we'd like to thank our pastors and our ministers niya who administered the ecumenical service tayo tatay na sapa. The Sons and Daughters Association, our veterans, at our dito ilagay post-war veterans, tayo dyan. Aminan, kami ba nalimatang? Our honorees, of course, nga dito amin tayo din niya, naimbag nga agsapa kada tayo amin. But again, we'd like to thank each and everyone for accepting the invitation to join us in celebrating the 76th founding anniversary of the municipality of La Trinidad. And we are very grateful to the Lord for the blessings and also for the wisdom and sacrifices of our ancestors, our forebears, and our former leaders in the municipality. Let's continue to celebrate the birthday of our municipality with joy and gratitude, and look forward to the future for blessings and protection from the Lord. So again, we'd like to welcome each and everyone to our 76th founding anniversary. God bless kada tayo amin, and thank you very much.